ready to switch it up. So today we're gonna step away from the rotaries for a second and I'm gonna look at something else we got. This is a really interesting car. I know a lot of you like these cars. I typically don't, but this one is special, so I'm gonna share it with you. Check this out. This is a 1990 Nissan Fairlady Z, and this one is special. So anybody who's a fan of these cars already knows that these cars, A, were available in the USA, and B, are a real pain to work on unless you're really used to them and you like them. But this one in particular is kind of special, and I'll tell you why. One, it's not a 2+2, and it's JDM. Two, hard top, no glass, so this is a slick top or hard top. And three, let's take a look under the hood. Oh, it's manual too, by the way. But let's take a look under here. Check this out. Twin turbo. So this is an actual twin turbo slick top Z32. A lot of people say this car never existed, but it did exist in Japan. And you can see right here, there's the proof. VG30 DETT. So this is an actual twin turbo car. And it is absolutely a slick top, as you can see. No sunroof. And it's manual. And it's red. This is a sweet car. I'm gonna be honest. I don't like these cars, but I like this one. The interior is really clean. Really clean. I mean, minimal abrasion on the driver's seat. Steering wheel, I mean, it's all original. This thing is stock, too. This is a stock gem. Look at the stock exhaust. Little pipes. This paint is really nice. It's fresh. You can see there's no dents on it. There's no dings on it. It's a straight car. Really straight. So this is kind of cool because we don't see too many of these in good shape. And when we do see them, they're usually not optioned the way people want. So this one being a slick top or hard top, twin turbo, 5-speed manual, makes it a really special car. Mileage on this car is 108,000 kilometers, which equates to like 60,000 miles or so. 65,000 miles. Doesn't have the original radio. That's the only thing done to it. Does not have the original radio, but everything else is here. Everything is here. I mean everything. Let's take a look back here. Hatch stays up on its own. That's a plus. Everything in here is where it's supposed to be. You can see spare tire is under there. I'm not gonna take all this out. It's held down with those buckles, but it has all the original panels and interior pieces. Like I say, the hatch stays up, the plastic's all on that. This is a really nice car. If you're a fan of the Z and you like Z32s, I'm pretty sure this is your dream car. Really nice. So I'm gonna take this for a spin in a little bit. We just did all the maintenance on it. It's up to date. This is an old sticker, but it is up to date. You can see it's been in Japan all its life, and now it's here. So we've given it the treatment it needed. Tires are good. Plenty of tread on these. Falcon Zeeks. mismatched tires. Looks like Yokohama's up front, but again, really good tires, nothing wrong there. There's not really much to say other than it's just in good shape. So let's take it for a spin, and I'll show you guys how it drives. If you're interested in this car, make sure you hit us up fast, because as far as Z cars go, Z32s especially, I think this is like a holy grail car. Let's crank her up, take her for a ride. Okay. Starts right up. AC works really good. We'll go ahead and turn that on. Cold AC. There's the original like case for the manual that's not in here, but I think we might have it. Got the original floor mats in it still. All the panels are really good. There's no cracked or broken stuff, no dash bubbles, no dash cracks. Look at this. That's not even cracked. You guys know the American cars, this thing is junk. So windshield's in good shape, no chips, no cracks. Everything's where it should be, and so far, I'm really digging this car. So these cars came with a 3-liter twin-turbo V6, and I believe they were rated at like 300 horsepower, maybe a little less, 275, but the horsepower numbers were never really accurate in the world of JDM cars, because they were always trying to keep like the power levels down really low. So this one is probably making close to that. It is dead stock. There is absolutely nothing done to it. So a really nice car all around. I'm not gonna get on it too much, but it is working fine, making all the power. This is not a good place to be speeding, so I'm not going to. Brakes work really good, as you can tell. No problems there. No weird noises, no vibrations, really nothing. The suspension feels a little bit worn out, but you know, it's an old car. What are you gonna do? And everybody who gets one of these, the first thing they do is just put coilovers on it anyway, so I wouldn't be too worried about that. But all over, a really straight car. Low miles for one of these. This is really low miles. You're talking, like I said, a 65,000 mile car. There's really not much you can get at this age with that low miles here in the US especially. So, and it's not a 2+2. This is a straight 2-seater. So again, we'll run through the bullet points. Hardtop, twin turbo, 5-speed manual. I don't think it gets much better than this in the world of Z32s. This AC is freezing, by the way. I'm gonna turn it off. I don't think it gets much better than this in the world of Z32s and Fairladies. So really an honest car, and if you're interested in one of these, you need to come and see this thing. Promise you. Actually really nice. I'm gonna drive this thing around for a couple of days because I may never get a chance to again. So if you're interested in this car or any of the other cars that we have on the website, make sure you hit us up. Go to horsepowerlogic.com, check it out. There's more info on this car there, as well as the other cars that we have in stock, and some cars that we don't have in stock yet that are on the way. So if there's something there you want, something there that, or something you do want that's not there, feel free, email us, info@horsepowerlogic.com. Go to the website, check it out. We do have banks that we work with for financing. You can go on there and check out how to do all that stuff. It's really not that hard. You can apply and get an approval in the same day. Happens really fast. So that's gonna be it. Check that out. I got some stuff coming for the FD in the meantime for the 3-rotor. So hopefully that stuff gets here tomorrow. I'm gonna be in and out for the weekend, so I might not be able to post again until next week, but if I get a chance to, I will. So stay tuned and hit us up. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if there's something you want to see, go in there. I read every comment, I don't always answer, but I do read every one of them, so we'll see you later.